Good morning, everyone. I'm excited to welcome you today as we explore the theme of strengthening bonds across the Middle East and North Africa. Today's presentation is titled Strengthening Bonds Across the Middle East and North Africa, and it focuses on the important role of the League of Arab States. Over the next few minutes, we'll look at how this organization fosters regional unity, cooperation, and development. So, let's dive in and discover how these efforts are shaping the future of our region. Today, our organization has grown to include 22 member countries, which really shows how much the group has expanded and strengthened over time. But it's interesting to remember that it all started with just 7 founding nations, each coming together with a shared vision. The main goal back then was to unite Arab political views and foster greater cooperation among Arab countries. The founding of Cairo in 1945 marked a significant milestone, serving as the official birthplace of this organization. So, from those humble beginnings, we see a clear pattern of growth and collective effort aimed at regional unity and progress. This historical context helps us understand the importance of collaboration in shaping our shared future. Let's take a closer look at the original 7 nations in this region, starting with Yemen. Yemen has historically been a key part of this area, with deep cultural and historical roots. Moving north, we have Jordan, a country that has played a significant role in regional stability and diplomacy. Next is Saudi Arabia, which is not only the largest in landmass, but also a major influencer economically and politically in the Middle East. Then there's Iraq, a country with a rich history, yet one that has faced many challenges in recent decades. To the west, we find Syria, known for its ancient history and ongoing conflicts. Lebanon, a small but culturally vibrant nation, has a unique position as a crossroads of civilizations. Egypt, with its long history as a cradle of civilization, sits at the crossroads of Africa and the Middle East. Together, these 7 nations form the core of this region, each with its own distinct identity, but interconnected through history, politics, and culture. Understanding these countries is essential to grasping the larger regional dynamics we're exploring in this presentation. Cairo, Egypt has long stood as a historic symbol of unity across the Arab world. It's a place where member countries come together twice every year, reinforcing their commitment to regional collaboration. This city acts as the central hub for all regional diplomacy and cooperation, making it a vital location for fostering dialogue and partnerships. When we think of Cairo in this context, it truly is the heart of Arab unity, playing a crucial role in strengthening bonds and advancing shared goals across the region. Each member country in the Arab Council has an equal say, holding just 1 vote each. This setup ensures that every nation's voice is equally important in decision-making processes. It really emphasizes the principle of equality among member states. The phrase equal voice highlights this core idea. No country has more influence than another, fostering a sense of shared responsibility and collaboration. Moving on, the Council spans across 2 continents, connecting regions from the Atlantic Ocean all the way to the Arabian Sea. This geographical scope underscores the vast diversity and reach of the Arab world, uniting nations from Africa and Asia under a common platform. When we see United Nations here, it reminds us of the broader international context in which these regional organizations operate. It signals that while the Arab Council is a regional body, it also interacts and aligns with global efforts for peace, development, and cooperation. And the number 22, that's the total number of member countries, representing a diverse and dynamic group of nations working together. Altogether, this slide highlights the fundamental principles of equality, unity across vast regions, and shared sovereignty, all of which are essential themes as we look at how regional cooperation can promote stability and progress. Building a unified and prosperous Arab world together is our ultimate goal. When we talk about strengthening bonds, we're emphasizing the importance of respecting each nation's right to govern itself. Each country has its own unique identity and sovereignty, and it's vital that we uphold that. Promoting sovereignty means supporting the idea that every member state should have the freedom to make its own decisions without external interference. Protecting independence is at the core of everything we do, because without independence, the progress of the entire region could be compromised. Our primary mission is to ensure these principles are at the forefront of our efforts. By safeguarding sovereignty and independence, we're laying the foundation for a stronger, more unified Arab world, one where each nation can thrive while working together toward common goals. Let's take a closer look at how we can work together to boost economic growth and strengthen financial cooperation across borders. By fostering closer economic ties, we can create more opportunities for trade and investment, which ultimately benefits all our nations. Moving on to health, improving the well-being and healthcare access for all Arab citizens is a vital goal. Ensuring that everyone has access to quality healthcare not only improves individual lives, but also promotes a healthier, more productive society. When we consider social and political challenges, addressing regional issues and fostering political stability are crucial. Stability helps create an environment where development and cooperation can thrive. Lastly, connecting our nations through modern infrastructure and shared networks is key. This connectivity facilitates communication, economic activity, and cultural exchange, helping us build stronger, more resilient communities. Overall, collaborating on these vital issues, economics, health, social stability, and communication, serves as the backbone for a united and prosperous Arab world. Ensuring regional security and collective peace is at the core of our vision. It's about creating a stable environment where everyone can thrive, free from conflict and instability. When we talk about defense, we're focusing on improving work conditions for all Arab workers, because a strong, motivated workforce is essential for our development. Supporting youth activities and learning programs is equally important. It's about empowering our young people with the skills and opportunities they need to succeed. Preserving our rich heritage and historical documents helps us stay connected to our roots and culture, fostering a sense of identity and pride. Ultimately, all these efforts are about empowering the next generation, equipping them with the tools, knowledge, and values to lead us into a brighter future. This comprehensive approach ties back to our overall goal of a peaceful, prosperous, and resilient region. Today, I want to talk about an essential part of our efforts: preventing regional arguments from escalating into larger conflicts. It's crucial that we address disagreements early on and through peaceful means, so they don't spiral out of control. Fostering Arab unity plays a vital role here. By resolving conflicts through diplomatic channels, we strengthen our collective stability and ensure that disputes are handled constructively. Helping member countries settle their disputes peacefully is at the heart of this approach. It's about creating a culture of dialogue and understanding, rather than confrontation. All of this ties back to our overarching goal of promoting through unity. When we work together, support each other in resolving issues peacefully, and prioritize diplomacy, we build a more secure and resilient region. Let's talk about some of the incredible progress we've made in advancing the rights and well-being of women and children. This is a vital part of our overall goal to improve quality of life for everyone. When we focus on human rights, we're emphasizing the importance of ensuring everyone has access to dignity, safety, and equality. At the same time, we're committed to restoring and translating historical works. This effort helps preserve our Arab legacy, allowing future generations to connect with their rich cultural roots. It's about valuing our past as we build a better future. Speaking of culture, I'm proud to share that our region now boasts one of the highest literacy rates in the world. This achievement is a testament to our dedication to education and knowledge dissemination. Literacy is a fundamental pillar that supports personal growth and societal development. All of these efforts, empowering women and children, preserving our cultural heritage, and increasing literacy, are interconnected. They come together under our broader mission to improve the quality of life across the region. By focusing on these key areas, we are creating a more inclusive, educated, and resilient society for everyone. This slide highlights a platform built on the principles of equal representation and collective action. It's designed to ensure that every member's voice matters equally, fostering a sense of shared responsibility and collaboration. We hold twice-yearly meetings to discuss the region's future. These gatherings are crucial for shaping policies and setting a unified direction. At the heart of this process is the Arab Council, where decisions are made transparently and inclusively. Importantly, every member is heard, emphasizing the value of each contribution. And I want to stress that each vote counts. No matter who you are or where you come from, your voice influences the outcomes. This approach reinforces the overall theme of unity and shared progress, showing that collective effort and equal participation are key to building a stronger, more resilient region. Long live Arab unity. I want to emphasize how important it is for us to come together as one united Arab nation. Our commitment is to peace, prosperity, and progress for all Arab countries, because only through unity can we truly achieve these goals. When we work together, we create a brighter tomorrow, one filled with hope, opportunity, and shared success. Remember, the path forward is a collective journey, together, towards a better future for everyone. This slide encapsulates that spirit of solidarity and forward movement. Let's keep this vision alive as we move ahead.